The verb arrive needs a preposition, but normally it's going to be arrive at. But if you have a place name, a specific place name like Hampshire, like Madrid, like Quebec, like Australia, you're going to use the preposition in with arrive. Okay, for example, I arrived in Scotland yesterday, or she will arrive in Rome tomorrow. So use the preposition in with a specific place name with the verb arrive. Now look at this sentence. If we say most of people are lazy, this sentence is wrong. Many people say this structure. What you need to say is either most of the people are lazy, most of the people are lazy, if you're being specific, or most people are lazy. Okay, you cannot have the preposition of without the article the. Okay, if you're gonna have the preposition of, you need the article the. They need to go together. Remember, with the article the, you're saying the sentence with a more specific sense. So if I say most houses are expensive, that's going to be more general than saying most of the houses are expensive. All right, thank you for watching.